Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Kune video letrenda kulapha kuma social media platforms aya Moses lo dume kakhulu ngaledi mo kulaba amatiko lapha neMpumalanga ePinari abonakala analamiz kani uLady Mo guys wadendela ligama ngokuthi aye emngcwabeni afika aqule emingcwabeni ashukumise ngiyakutshela wena. That's how people got used to him, that's how people started knowing him kokuthi hayibo kunemuntu kane eMpumalanga leli gama lakhe kungilady. Guys ngise KZN but ngikhuluma ngalady Mo, ngise KZN but ngikhuluma ngalady Mo because I'm from Mpumalanga. I didn't want to do this video but ngathi yathini ngihlale ngingayindi le video lena Moses ana lamizi ngeke ngihlale guys ngayindi asende nje tidorta sekhaya sometimes nangu uguy or ugela ngathi kuse ngambita ngaliphi. So ujabulile nje ukuthi ubona alamizi naye lamizi uyambona shem ukuthi she's someone who's very cool, uyavuma shem ambambe baqoqa yabona umuntu lolu celebrity but longadijeli lo babona abantu as friends and not fans sisho bobolamizi ke sana like bekahle kanjena lukaqoqa. It's just that it's very unfortunate ukuthi angikhonanga uyifaka le video ngidlalise since kune music ku background and I'm scared of my copyright. So ngiyo le video lena guys la Lady Mo ajabulela khona ulamizi. They were taking pictures, they were like laughing, they were talking komnanzi angendlela alesimanga guys. Ngiyakhombisa ukuthi ma-celebrities guys aya eMpumalanga uyabona bo Lady Mo baze abagaqe abolamizi. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.